Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best smart switches reviews. M8 Pro Tuya Smart Switch Zigbee 3.0 Hub features a vivid HD display for weather and clock, plus 4 programmable keys for custom control. With Zigbee 3.0 compatibility, it supports multi-device management, smart scene automation, and seamless integration with Tuya ecosystem, making your smart home more intuitive and connected. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.